Okay, when I was making this video to myself last night in the mirror, it was going perfectly well. Everything was running really smoothly, but for some reason right now it's like mental block. It's just not happening. You know what? This video is important for you guys, just for the world. More people should know how to be single and be happy. Okay? So let's do this. I'm assuming if you clicked on this video, either you've just come out of a relationship, or you're thinking of coming out of a relationship, or you have a feeling you're gonna come out of a relationship, or you're just still looking for the one and you're wondering why it's not happening and you are drowning in your misery. If that ticks any of the boxes for you guys, then stick around because you might want to hear this. Let me first start out by saying one thing. Just because you are not in a relationship, it doesn't make you unattractive. It doesn't make you less worthy. It doesn't make you sad. I just want to really emphasize that, because I know that sometimes, because of what we see in media or what we see in society, we feel like we are less, or we're not valuable, or what is the word? I'm missing it. If you know it, comment it down below. You are worthy. Don't let anybody make you feel like you're a disappointment or like you are a failure in some way if you're not partnered up, alright? And I know that, especially as women, we get this a lot in life. If a guy is single, it's like, oh, he's probably, you know, he's living the bachelor life. But if a woman is single, especially once she gets to a certain age, it can be like, oh, what's wrong with her? Being from Asian culture, I can understand this. Thankfully, at the age of 20, I have not experienced that, but I've seen it, whether it be from people that I know or in Bollywood movies. I've seen it, and I just want to say that everybody has their own pace, and you go at the pace that is comfortable for you. Being in a relationship, it shouldn't complete you. It shouldn't fill up your cup. You should fill up your cup. When somebody comes into your life, and I mean, I'm talking like a relationship, I'm not talking like a fling. When you are considering being in a relationship with somebody, that should just add to your life. Your life should already be at 100. If they come in, it can be 130. It shouldn't take away from it. That's a whole other video, okay? They should add to your life. They should add quality to your life. The life that you want to live, don't be looking for somebody else to come and create that for you. You create your life. Remember that. If you want to travel and you want to be adventurous and you want to go out on these cool funky dates and have, like, I don't know, do wild crazy things, do that shit for yourself. No person should be responsible for the excitement and enjoyment that you get from your own life. That's on you. If you have just broken up with somebody, I completely understand if you need the time to heal and grieve and go through whatever. If you need to go through that, you go through that. You feel it, you be down in the dumps, you go through that. But then you pick yourself up and you get your shit together and you go out and you live your best damn life. You want to know why? Because you only got one life. Now, I believe in souls and stuff, and you may not believe in shit like that, and that's totally fine. I respect you. I respect that. That is fine. But how did you come into this planet by yourself? Now, maybe you're a twin or something. That, I mean, but still, you came in by yourself, okay? It's you in your body, all right? Wherever you go, your body follows. Wherever you go, you follow. You are with you wherever you go. You are your own constant in this lifetime, so you better enjoy your own company, honey. Just live your life. Think about the things that you want to do for yourself. Think about the things that make you happy. And this may sound like cheesy, corny shit, but that's me and that's my channel. So if you don't like it, then you can thumbs up and leave. But if you do, then thumbs up and stick around, because you need to understand that you have value and that you can bring value to your own life. If you're like, okay, well, where do I start? Do the things that you enjoy. Always find excitement in rediscovering who you are. Like I said, you are your own constant. Who are you? What do you want to do with your time here? You know, and it doesn't have to be like this huge grand plan. What you do is up to you. It is yours. It is personal to you. Like everybody else, and just imagine like nobody else's opinions matter. What matters to you? How do you want to live your life? Forget everybody's opinions, because their opinions are going to be said and then they're going to be in the past, and that's going to be it. You are your own person with your own mind. You can stand on your own 2 feet and say what you want for yourself. You have every right to do that. Don't forget that for 1 second. Try new things. Try the things that you used to like. Who you are now could be completely different to who you were 5 years ago. Chances are you probably are a little bit different, to say at the very least. Try the things that you used to like. Try the things that you think you might like and try things that you don't like. Okay, say you don't have the money to do any of this fancy stuff, that's fine. Try a new hobby at home. Budget a little bit of your money and take that money and use that money to spend on self-care. Try something new every week, whether it means cooking something new, whether it means, I don't know, going to an event, or whatever that means for you. If it means calling up an old friend that you haven't spoken to in ages, that is fine. Trust me, you can learn something, at least one thing, from every single person on this planet. Go and have a conversation with someone. Go on, read a freaking book. Do something. Whether you like it or you don't, it's fine. At least if you do it, you'll know, right? What's there to lose? Rediscover yourself. Fall in love with yourself. Honestly, it's so much more liberating to be in that position where you're happy in your own company. And if somebody comes into your life later on, you're like, it's nice to live with you, but I could also choose to live without you and I'd be fine. You know what I mean? I honestly wish that more girls knew this, or more young people knew this, because all throughout secondary school, there were so many people being like, oh, but he completes me, and I'm just like, oh, shut the fuck up. Just like, come on. There is so much more to life than a relationship, and I'm not trying to invalidate relationships and romantic relationships. They can bring amazing value to your life, they can, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about you, and I want you to remember that you have worth, you have value. That doesn't come from your relationships, that doesn't come from your accomplishments, that doesn't come from your status, your money. No, you, when you were born into this world, you instantly had value, and nobody can take that away from you. So enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Create the life that you want to live. Just thinking if I have any more tips. I think I've said everything that I have to say. But yeah, basically being single is not a bad thing, okay? And if any of your stupid family members, oh sorry, I shouldn't say that. But I mean, if you want to show them this video, go ahead, show them this video. Chances are they could have done with it when they were your age. Or in your position. There is nothing wrong with being single. Don't let anybody or anything make you feel like there is something wrong with that, okay? You are a human being. You did not come into this world to be in a relationship. You came into this world to live your life how you choose to live it. Duh. Oh, yes, I have another point for you. Guys, you can save a lot of money when you're not in a relationship. I mean, all that extra money, like, just spend it on yourself. Go on that extra shopping trip. Go on that holiday. Save up for your car. Like, there are so many pros to it as well. Like, don't just your life is ahead of you. You got so much going for you. So much. Your relationship doesn't define you. Your lack of relationship doesn't define you. You define you. You create your life for you. I needn't say it anymore. Just fucking live your life. You're beautiful. You are worthy. Just, if anybody tells you anything less or otherwise, they are just not worth it. Okay? They are not worth your time. They are not worth your energy. Live your life to its fullest. And I know it's easier said than done, but just start. Just put one foot in front of the other. Take a breath. If you need some help, ask for help. But when you can, give to others. Help others. Just enjoy. Enjoy. Imagine this is your last day on earth. What would you want to think? Oh, I lay in bed crying about my ex the whole day. I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyway, I should probably go. Yeah, so I'm gonna go because my parents are in the house. There's like no music on. It's just really dead quiet. And here I am yelling about relationships, and they don't really know that I have a YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Yeah. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys. Please, if you have any more suggestions, leave them down in the comments below, okay? We are a supportive network, okay? Love ya. See you next time. Bye.